So in my opinion, when it comes to doing eBay dropshipping and looking for a product to sell, it's always better to try and dropship a trending product. And when I say trending product, what I mean is an item that people are searching for at a specific point in time. So if you want to have better luck when it comes to doing eBay dropshipping, it's always better to try and sell an item that you know people are searching for. And that's what I'm going to be showing you how to do in this video. So first things first, we're going to start off on Adspy. Now, if you've never heard of Adspy before, it essentially helps you see what products people are advertising on Facebook and Instagram. So most people like to use this when it comes to finding good Shopify dropshipping products to sell, but you can also use it to try and get an idea of which eBay dropshipping products you can also sell. And the way that you use it is by logging into your account. You're going to see this page and you're going to select some of these filters. So the first filter that we're going to select is this one right here, and we're going to select Shopify. The next filter is this one here where it says seen between, and we're going to do from the 1st to the 9th. Next one is daily likes. We're going to select minimum around 30 likes, just like that. And then in the ad text up here, we're going to do 50% off, because most advertisers normally put 50% off in the ad text when they're creating Facebook and Instagram ads. And what we're going to do is that we're going to scroll down and we're going to see all of these different products that are currently being advertised by people that are mainly doing Shopify dropshipping. But again, we're going to be able to use this information to see if there's a product that we can dropship on eBay. All right, so I can see this product right here, which is a bug zapper by the looks of it. So now that we know that this seller is using Facebook ads to promote bug zappers, we can now double check to see if bug zappers are also selling well on eBay, and double check whether or not it's also a trending product that we can dropship. And if you also want to use Adspy to go away and double check and see if you're going to be able to find your own product to sell, you can use the link in my description down below for a free trial. Okay, so moving on to step number 2 of this process of finding a trending product to dropship, which is that we need to go over to Terapeak. Now, I've shown Terapeak in so many of my videos, but I'm getting new viewers every single day. But Terapeak essentially is where you're going to be able to do product research directly through your eBay account. So if you've got an eBay selling account, you're not going to need to pay anything. As long as you're already paying for the eBay selling account, you're going to be able to access this for free. And it's going to show you a lot of useful information that's going to help you know exactly whether or not you should be selling a particular product or not. And the way that I use it has changed over the years, but I'm going to show you how I use it nowadays. So I've typed in the keyword bug killer, and we're going to change some of these filters right here. So the first one is the condition filter. We're going to change that to new. And then we're going to do the format filter, which is best offer accepted and fixed price. Now, the reason why I'm doing best offer accepted and fixed price is because when it now comes to us listing it, we're going to be using best offer and fixed price. We're not going to be using the auction listing. So we don't want to see the data for the sellers that are listing bug killers using the auction on eBay. So we want to look at exactly how we're going to do it so that we can get a better idea on what type of sales we're going to be able to make. All right, so those are the filters that we're going to set for today. First thing that I like to look out for is the total sales. As you can see, over £2.4 million was made in terms of bug killers over the last 365 days, which shows that there's a lot of money being spent on this particular keyword. Scrolling down a little bit more, if we go to this option right here, so this is the main graph that I want to show you guys. And as you can see, around May, June, July, we can see that sales spiked last year in 2021 for products that contain the word bug killer. And we can see that the trend died down from August, September, October. However, now we're at the beginning of the trend again. And I'm sure that in 2022, the same trend that we can see in 2021 is going to happen again in 2022. So right now, I believe that it's the best time to probably sell this product, because we're going to be able to get in on the trend early, which means that we're going to be able to maximize the amount of revenue and profit that we're going to make. Now, just to quickly validate the data that we saw on Terapeak, I'm just going to use Google Trends and I'm going to type in bug killer. So first things first, what I'm going to do is change it to the last 5 years. And as you guys can see right here, people are searching for bug killers at specific times of the year, around May, June, July, and then in October, November, they're not really searching for it anymore. Again, in 2018, it was the same thing. 2019, it was the same thing around May, June, July. So Google Trends is a good indicator for us to use when it comes to figuring out whether or not we're going to be able to get in on a trend early. And right now, because it's still early in April, it's a great time for us to figure out exactly how we're going to source this product and start dropshipping it ourselves. So before we can try and source the product, we obviously need to figure out which type of bug killer we want to get. Now, the way that we could do that is by going back over to Terapeak just like this and scrolling down. And I've already sorted the sales from highest to lowest. And from this information here, we're going to be able to see which bug zapper made the most money. So from there, we're going to be able to now figure out which one we want to sell ourselves. So for example, we can see that there's this bug zapper here that made over £117,000 in the last year. Scrolling down a little bit more, we can see that there's this type of bug zapper right here. So let me just click into it. We can see that this seller was able to sell over 1,000 units. And according to Terapeak, they were able to make £16,000 from this type of bug zapper. So now that you guys know which bug zapper is doing well and which one's making the most money, we can now go over to a dropshipping supplier and see if we're going to be able to find a similar type. Now the dropshipping supplier that I like to use is CJ Dropshipping. So we're going to go over there now and see what type of bug zapper we can find. All right, so I've just jumped onto CJ Dropshipping, and I'm sure most of you already know who they are and what they do. But for those of you out there that are new to my channel and you've never heard of CJ before, basically what they do is that they're a dropshipping agent, and the way that things work is that they buy products in bulk, ship it to their warehouse, and you're going to be able to now go on there and see which products they have available. And the way that CJ differs from another company, let's say AliExpress, number one, they've got warehouses in various different locations, and number two, because they're a dropshipping agent and they're using their own money to buy the products in bulk and storing it in their own warehouses, they're not necessarily going to buy products that are not good quality. Whereas something like AliExpress, I'm not saying that they've got bad quality items, but they've got so many different vendors, which means that the quality control isn't going to be to the standards of CJ Dropshipping. And the way that you use it is very simple. You're just going to simply type in the item that you're looking for. So in this case, I've typed in bug killer, and what you're going to do is to scroll through and look at all of the available options that they have. So in this case, I'm just going to click on this one right here. So the first thing that I like to do once I'm on the product page is see if I'm going to be able to drop ship it from a warehouse that's closest to me. And as you can see, in this case, we can only drop ship it from the China warehouse. And if I left the shipping to location to United States, we can see that the quickest that we can get this product to the customer is in 7 to 15 days using this option right here. Now, for some of you guys, you don't necessarily mind how long it takes for the item to get to your customers. But for me, I don't really like to keep the customer waiting this long. And plus, it's going to be hard when it comes to competing with all of the other sellers. So in this case, you've got two different options. You can either use the pre-order inventory option, which means that you're going to be able to order a bulk shipment to one of CJ Dropshipping's warehouses. And from there, whenever you make an order, they're going to be the ones to ship it out for you. But bear in mind, if you did want to use the pre-order inventory option, you're only going to be able to do a minimum order quantity of 100 pieces. So if you don't necessarily want to use the pre-order inventory option and order a minimum of 100 pieces, then the only other option is that you order the products in bulk yourself from a supplier, let's say using Alibaba.com, order the products in bulk to your house, and then you ship out the orders every single time you make a sale. Now, I know that this isn't necessarily drop shipping, but if you did want to do drop shipping, you're going to have to deal with the long shipping times like this, unless you can find a product that you're looking for that is based in a warehouse closest to your customers. Because as we can see, if we go over to Alibaba.com, there's various different suppliers that are able to source you with products with a minimum order quantity of 5 pieces. Like for example, if you order between 5 to 49 pieces from this supplier, you're only going to have to pay around $6.98 per piece. And if you do go away, do your product research, you find a product that's selling well, and you catch the trend early just like this, ride it up, you're going to be able to maximize the amount of sales that you can make. So the choice is yours really. It all depends on what you want to do. You can either drop ship the product or you can buy the products in bulk. But from this video, you now understand what you need to do when it comes to finding a trending product that's selling well. So if you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to press the like button. Don't forget to subscribe as well. Hit the bell notification so that YouTube can let you know when a new video has been released. And if you want to watch another video that I made recently where I show you step by step exactly how to connect your CJ Dropshipping account to your eBay account, I'm going to leave that video right there. Make sure you watch that video straight after this one because it's going to give you a lot more insight into what you need to do when it comes to syncing your eBay account to your CJ account. Comment down below, let me know what you thought of this video. If you've enjoyed it, put it in the comments down below. I'm trying my best to respond to every single comment that's underneath this video. Alright guys, I'll see you on the next one. Make sure you stay safe out there. Peace.